Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Heritage mobile banking application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another update from us. First, make sure that you are connected to an intimate server, whether it is a Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you are done with it, tap Open your Play Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Heritage Bank and make your search. You'll be able to find the application in the search result. On the next page, look for this app right here. This one is the official app for Heritage Bank for your mobile device. In this page, you'll be able to find the About Info section of the app, its ratings and reviews. To simply download the application on your Android, tap the Install button in green beneath the app and wait until the app gets downloaded on an Android device. With a Heritage Bank Limited mobile banking application installed on your Android device, you'll be able to view your account balances and history, make your payments, transfer funds, make peer-to-peer payments, enable customizable alerts, and much more. Once the application is installed on an Android, you'll be able to see an Open button popping up right beneath it. Tap it on in order to launch the app open. That is how the first interface of Heritage Bank Limited looks like. Go ahead and enter your user ID and your password and simply log into your account right away. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.